Yo, what's up, guys? I'm sorry if you hear something in the background. That is my TV, and there it goes. So, this is part 2 of What If Deku was the lightning god. And, I'm sorry for the last part. I did make a bunch of mistakes. Like I said, I don't write a script. It all comes... It all comes from my mind first. I don't write a script. I do it when I'm making the video. It just comes up, and I talk about it. So, we left off in the 10 months training arc. See, I'm sorry, I didn't really explain nothing. See, Thor, he wouldn't exist. And Inko didn't give him the hammer. He found the hammer, and he found the hammer under the ocean because he was just swimming. Let's say that. Or it was around a beach. Yeah, it was around a beach covered in sand because and he didn't have the hammer when he was fighting Bakuro. So, he was training the beach and under all that trash, and see, there were still little pieces of trash he had to pick up, and it was under the sand. So he found this piece of metal. He started moving the sand around to get the piece of metal out. Then he had found Mjolnir. As in, this would easier help him get control of his electric powers. Hold on. So, during this, he would be training with Mjolnir, because he completed picking up the trash in a week. Yeah, in a week, because, in Ragnarok, where Thor's eyes grow blue with lightning all around him, he would have that technique. But now that he's found Mjolnir, he will have that technique with Mjolnir. And his lightning, he could put his lightning inside of Mjolnir to make like a lightning blast, not having to pick up his arm all the way to the sky for it to come all the way down like Thor does when he had Mjolnir. So, Izuku can further do that, and Izuku can fly. And Izuku is right now as strong as 50% All Might, and his speed is not 100% All Might Prime. It's around 70%, no 100% All Might with his injury. 70 to 100% around there. So that will be his speed, and that will be how strong that Izuku is with his raw strength and his, I'm just going to call it his lightning mode. So that's how it would be. With his lightning mode yes, it would be, he would be 100% All Might strength, also with the injury. Or probably a little bit stronger, since that is a strong mode and he can control lightning with that. And he has Mjolnir, so yeah, making him ultra overpowered. And the way that he defeated Bakuro, he knows martial arts. He would take them down swiftly and quickly, so that's how that would happen. And he would tell Bakuro, look, stop messing on people. That's how a villain acts, not a hero. So, yeah, he would drill that into Bakuro every time that he messed with someone. Sorry if I'm doing that a lot, it's just allergies. So, he would know how to control Mjolnir better than Thor did, around how Captain America controlled Mjolnir. He would be around that level in strength and power. As in, now we skip to the UA entrance exams. And he would also train his knowledge along with his power, so he would also be really smart. I'm gonna say that One For All went to Mario. So Deku would not have One For All, and that's perfectly fine. No one really cares, because he's already super overpowered. So he would place third in the first part of the exams because he is really smart. I'm gonna say Bakugo placed fifth, yeah. So then we get to the fighting part of the exam, second part. As in, he wouldn't trip in this timeline. As in, he would never meet Uraraka. As in, he wouldn't try to walk up to Uraraka actually, yeah, he would try to go walk up to Uraraka, as in Eden would say, "Stop right there, young man." As in, Eden didn't say those words. As in, Deku would be, Izuku would say, "Wait, what? Huh?" And Ida would be in front of him saying, "Stop trying to distract that girl. She is trying to focus on the exam." As in, Deku would say, "I'm not trying to distract her, I'm trying to help her out. She is stressed. What? Get out of my way or you're gonna die, huh?" What? Get out of my way, please. I'm trying to help her. Yes, yeah, right. As in, Izuku would just, he's faster than Ida. He would go around Ida without Ida seeing it and go to Uraraka and calm him down. So, yeah. Oh, and the ship. What should the ship be? I'm thinking here. Hold on. Okay. The ship is going to be female thinking. Okay? Why I want to. I don't know. Kamawari, I'm pretty sure that's his last name. Or first name. I kind of forgot. Okay? As in, he would swiftly, when the gates open, he would go in before anybody else. They would think that he's trying to cheat, and then, I'm forgetting everybody's name. The person who can yell really loud. Oh, hold on, I forgot his name. I'm sorry, guys. I really am. Okay, so he would say, "There's no countdowns in a real battle. Go, go, go." As in, Deku, he would already be in his lightning mode without Mjolnir, because he can't have Mjolnir right now. So without Mjolnir, he would be just shocking all the robots, breaking them instantly. As in, he would already have, in the first 20 minutes 120 robots, as in he thinks he should chill and let some other people get robots, as in all the other people in Uraraka, all of them will get the same amount, as in the 0 pointing would come in, 0 pointer. As in, I'm going to make him have this technique called Lightning God Fist. He came up with this around when he was 13 training, or when he was in the 10 months training army. As in, he would charge lightning all the lightning around him, all the electricity, every single thing around him, he would charge that in one arm, saying, Lightning God Fist, as in it would make a huge explosion. As in, he would do that to the 0 pointer. He would... Yeah, okay, my bad. I have to look at something. As in, he would gather all the electricity in the city around him, as in, and all the electricity in his body. He would put that all in his fist, saying, Lightning God Fist, as in it would break the 0 pointer's head, and he would make a huge electrical explosion. As in, Dinky was stuck under the rock, and he needed to save her anyways, as in he would get an extra 70 points for hero points, and he would also go all to get some more points, as in all together he would have like 220 points. So he definitely got into UA, and everybody already knows this. So this is where I'm going to be leaving it off. I came up with this shit. Thank you. Oh, totally. Please watch again. 7 views only in one day. Imagine. I think I'm doing pretty good now.